Module 8, Week 1 Assessment, A New Neighbor, the Black Bear. Question number 1. What is the author's purpose of paragraph 1? A. To explain why bears will eat foods meant for other animals. B. To show that humans and bears are now living close together. C. To explain why it is important to feed wild creatures healthy food. D. To show how bird feeders can be used to help keep bears away from garbage. Question number 2. Read the sentence from paragraph 1. You should say, "Thank you." Not long afterward, a black bear emerges from a wooded area and walks across the lawn. What is the meaning of emerges as it is used above in this sentence? A. Turns around. B. Comes into view. C. Retreats under cover. D. Stumbles awkwardly. Make sure that you also use the plug it in strategy, and you may use dictionary.com or a dictionary. Question number 3. Which 2 reasons? You have to pick 2. If you do not pick 2, you will not get half credit. You will get it wrong. Which 2 reasons does the author give to support the idea that it is humans who cause bears to become problems? So you're picking 2 reasons. A. Humans supply bears with new foods to eat. B. Humans can learn what to do if they meet a bear. C. Humans are surprised whenever they see a bear. D. Humans enjoy watching bears from a safe distance. E. Humans have changed the habitat in which bears live. Question number 4. How does the author support the idea that bears can become a nuisance? A. By proving that black bears have an excellent sense of smell. Is that how the idea that bears become a nuisance? B. By explaining where black bears can be found in the world. Does that support the idea that bears can be a nuisance? C. By giving examples of damage black bears can cause. Does that show how they can be a nuisance? D. By mentioning that black bears are usually shy. So which one shows me how bears can become a nuisance? Question number 5, I'm going to give you, and the answer is A. The answer is A. It should be tail. 6. What new information does the pie chart add to the article? So what does the pie chart add to the article? A. Why bears eat more animals than plants. B. The types of food humans eat that bears like. C. Examples. All right, 6. What new information does the pie chart add to the article? A. Why bears eat more animals than plants. B. The types of foods humans eat that bears like. C. Examples of some plants that animals bears eat. D. The idea that bears eat more plants than animals. Okay, don't pick C. Number 7. What is the author's purpose in writing this article? Use details from the article to support your answer. At least 2 sentences. No more, not just 1 sentence will do. I want you to tell me the author's purpose, and then I need at least 1 sentence giving me that supporting evidence. If you go more over the 2 sentences, great, but I need at least 2 sentences for question number 7.